Hello, everyone. We're here today to learn a little bit about how to log on to the new information portal that we have with the driving school. First things first, I'd like to show you this. Um, this is a piece of AI art that I collaborated with the computer online to make. And I was thinking about a dashboard and all of the gears and stuff that works behind the dashboard to make your car work. This could be a metaphor for this software system. So first things first, we want to go to the login page. I'd like to point out that this login is not an app. It is a hyperlink on the interwebs. This is the way to get there. Now, you're saying, golly, that seems kind of complicated, Benjamin. What shall I do? What shall I do? Well, before you've gotten this, you will have interacted with me, and I have created a button on your phone where you can hit it and go to the hyperlink. Alternatively, we can offer sign-ins via QR code, or potentially sign-ins with just you hit the button in the email that sends you there, and then save it in your phone. So this is the portal. This is what it looks like. This is our new logo. Whoop whoop. Right, nice and simple. Trying to bring us into the computer age here. You would put in your password in your username. Your username is going to be some variation of your name, and you'll have that information. The password default for everyone, at least in the beginning, is December 22. That is capital D, December 22. That is when we started doing this. That's when we started paying for this to be done. Obviously, rollout always takes longer than you hoped. Click on the login button, and that will bring us to the login page. Now, but Ben, I'm in the car. I don't have a computer in front of me. How is this going to work? I don't get it. What's going to happen? Ha ha ha. Don't you worry. We have another way to get into this. This, in case you are unaware, is called a cell phone. This thing makes phone calls, and it also does some other things like watches TikTok videos. So, very important device here, right? But how can we access this software from the cell phone? So, first I got to start it. So, I'll put my finger on there. And on the desktop, I have created a button, or whatever this is called, workspace, I guess, as a phone. I've created a button that is a hyperlink that goes right there, and I can help you do this on your phone as well. Go bloop, and this is the login screen. Now, in order to log in, you put in the same information that you used on the computer, your password and identifying situation, and then you go to login. You hit the blue button. Now, I add the sound effects. You can too if you want. You just say it out loud when you hit the button. Here we have the classes that you're going to be teaching soon. Might also have scheduled drives, would be right in this box. These quick links are what you see here. The Class C application, the driving log, the roster. So if you had a class that was going, you'd be able to view the roster. You'll also be able to take attendance from right here. So if you're in the middle of the scheduled class or at the end of the scheduled class, you'd hit take attendance and get to there. The other cool thing is if you don't do something you're supposed to do, this pops up. So, for example, to take attendance or to say that you were there for a drive. And then this is super helpful. We've used spreadsheets to do this previously, and there's kind of a learning curve on this one. This will automatically come up with a student name and phone number. So you type in the student name, and it will auto show the things that are available. So look how good technology works. There we go. So test snowstorm, because that's a test person we have open. And then show deets. This has all the information about where the student is in location and also their bio data. The other thing is this giant blue button here. What's the blue button for? Hoo, hoo, hoo. It automatically puts it into your phone. So if you do have to call a student, this will make it happen directly and easily. So this is absolutely a benefit to the software. There are more benefits to the software, and we will get into those probably in another video. Thank you very much for paying attention. If you have any questions, talk to Melissa or myself about how to do this, and I look forward to making this, making your job easier. That's the goal of this whole product.